Taehyung, Jimin, Suzy, Miss Min Young, and YN had all arrived at the restaurant. Everyone was quietly having dinner, but Taehyung kept stealing glances at YN. Jimin noticed this and thought to himself, why does we keep looking at Miss YN? I've never seen him look at any client like this before, no matter how beautiful they were. As Taehyung kept watching YN, he suddenly realized that the smile on her face was slowly fading. He followed her gaze and saw a young man walking into the restaurant with a girl. Taehyung's eyes darkened as he thought, that must be Miss YN's crush, the one who rejected her love. Jun and his girlfriend had unknowingly chosen the same restaurant for dinner. As soon as YN saw him, her heart sank. Seeing Jun with someone else still hurt her. Suzy noticed Jun and, in a hushed yet irritated tone, whispered to YN, "Sis, there's still time. If you say the word, I can call those thugs here right now." Jimin, overhearing this, was startled. What kind of girl is she? She's casually talking about calling thugs. Looks like we won't be able to save Jungkook from her grasp. It'll be great when we end up in the news for getting beaten up. After all, this is about King Group's reputation. Min Young quickly silenced Suzy. What are you saying, Suzy? You already sent thugs after Mr. Jungkook, and now look, he's gone without a trace. Trust me, the best thing to do is to ignore Jun completely. Jimin was shocked. He hadn't expected such a logical response from Min Young. YN tried her best to ignore Jun. She kept her gaze low and focused on her food. However, the moment Jun noticed YN and Suzy, he asked his girlfriend to sit at a table before walking toward them. Seeing him approach, YN became nervous. Sensing her discomfort, Suzy whispered, "Oh, come on, sis. What are you doing? Did you forget who you are? The YN, CEO of Sky Group. You never let anyone make you uncomfortable." Just then, Jun stood behind YN and spoke, "I'm sorry, YN. If I hurt you, I truly apologize. I thought about it all night, and I feel terrible. I should have told you sooner that I never loved you. There was no need for you to have your delicate heart broken because of me." His words made YN's eyes sting with unshed tears. She had hoped never to see Jun again, yet fate had cruelly brought them face to face once more. Seeing YN so hurt, Taehyung extended his hand, gently placing it over hers. He then looked Jun straight in the eyes and said, "You don't need to worry about YN. I'll take care of her." Hearing those words, YN, who had her head down in sadness, slowly lifted her gaze and looked at Taehyung. In that moment, a different kind of light flickered in her eyes. Jimin was utterly confused. Why is we supporting his rival like this? Jun frowned and asked Taehyung, "Who are you? I've never seen you before." Taehyung smirked slightly and met his gaze. "People who admire me call me V. My enemies call me Kim." Before he could finish, Jimin abruptly stood up and stopped him. "That's enough. We're not here to fight anyone. Please, just sit down. We still need to meet grandfather." Taehyung realized he had let his anger take over and almost revealed something he shouldn't have. Taking a deep breath, he sat down and warned Jun, "I don't want any unnecessary trouble, so stay away from Miss YN as much as possible." Both Suzy and Min Young were stunned. Why was we suddenly supporting YN? Suzy leaned toward Jimin and asked in a whisper, "What's up with Mr. V? Is he always this angry?" Jimin glanced at Taehyung and replied, equally confused, "Honestly, I have no idea why he did that." YN kept staring at Taehyung in disbelief. Jun, after hearing Taehyung's words, turned around to leave. As he walked away, a plan formed in his mind. "Looks like it's time to accept the marriage proposal YN's father offered me." Asterisk. As soon as Jun left, Taehyung turned to YN and spoke in a calm voice, "I hope you don't mind, Miss YN. But the way Jun treated you, it really bothered me. He knew his presence would make you uncomfortable, yet he still came over to you." Standing up, Taehyung added, "Anyway, we should get going. We have another meeting to attend." With that, Taehyung and Jimin left the restaurant. YN silently watched Taehyung walk away. Meanwhile, Suzy observed him and thought to herself, "I think this guy is the only one who can bring Jungkook and me together now." As soon as they got into the car, Jimin turned to Taehyung, still confused. What was that back there? What are you trying to do with YN? Taehyung, lost in thought, replied, when I was doing YN's background check, I realized something. Despite having parents, she's incredibly lonely. That loneliness led her to fall in love with Jun, but he broke her heart. I'm afraid that if she stays alone like this, she'll never be able to move past that pain. To be continued. Why is Taehyung helping YN? Was Jun rejecting her part of a bigger plan? Stay tuned for the next episode of Love as a Deal.